Okay. Good morning, everybody. On behalf of the entire Faculty of Science, I take this opportunity to welcome all the aspirant students and their respective parents. Uh, our vision is to prepare professionals who can provide exemplary scientific services to the society with integrity, inclusiveness, social responsibility, and innovations. Our mission is to ignite a passion for science, to impart advanced scientific knowledge, to transform students into game changing graduates. Faculty of Science was established in the year 1951. Professor C.S. Patel was a chemist and first founding dean of the faculty during 1951 to 54. Then he went on to be the pro vice chancellor and the vice chancellor of this prestigious university in later years. With his visionary and passionate efforts, the faculty developed a strong foundation, and this is a bird eye view of the entire faculty with 12 departments, one institute of and national center. The campus is lush green, which is spread across 35 acres, which really makes it a blend of heritage, modern architecture, and nature. We also have a new science unit at Padra, which is 15 kilometer from Baroda. We host a team of 162 teachers and 128 non-teaching staff members and 5,000 students. The faculty is unique in various forms. For example, we have digitized Baro Herbarium. Ours is the only university in Gujarat having internationally indexed herbarium. We have 100 years old botanical garden and the arboretum where many students across the Baroda city are visiting. We have Asia's largest refracting telescope, which was gifted by Sir Sayajirao Gaikwad III. Department of Geology, Geography and Zoology host an excellent museums in our faculty. We have Population Research Center funded by Ministry of Family and Health Welfare, Government of India. Every year we receive funds of rupees 1.5 crore. Major objective is to conduct and promote research in population studies and to help policymakers. Students of to curiosity labs are sent into reputed pharma companies such as Sun Pharma Private Limited and many more. DST Inspire Fellows are hosted for unique research idea. We also launched internship program at our faculty to foster young and curious mind and helping them for developing their scientific temper. We have unique UG and PG research initiative in geology, geography, botany, and zoology. We conduct fieldwork and study tour. In mathematics and statistics, we encourage problem-solving techniques. In physics, chemistry, and life science, we provide exposure to high-end equipments. We offer ability enhancement and skill and development courses in almost all departments of our faculty. Uh, we have well-developed mode of teaching and learning with emphasis on learning based on experience, inquiry, problem solving, field visit, technology enabled, experiment by practical, research, etc. Participating, participative by elocution, quiz, etc. and project work at UG and PG. We encourage even learning beyond the classrooms. We ensure that the students visit various geographical and environmental hotspots for learning through practical exposure and field based study. For slow learners, we organize remedial classes and tutorials, one to one counseling sessions, helping in solving previous year question papers, etc. Whereas the advanced learners are encouraged to participate in crash courses for competitive exams, exposed to the Curiosity Lab, internship at prestigious institutes and organizations in India and abroad. The mode of education is based on CBCS scheme, which was introduced in 2010 and then subsequently revised in 2012, 14, and 19. And recently, we are going to introduce, from next year, we are going to introduce NEP 2020. We have an outcome based education with well defined program outcomes, program specific outcomes, and so on. We have 3 year B.Sc program across all the disciplines. From next year onwards, we'll give the option for 4 years as well as 3 year BA we offered in mathematics and geography, 2 year MSc in all discipline, a specifically designed 5 year integrated MSc in cell and molecular biology, PhD program, and postdoctoral programs. From this year, as I have told that we are going to introduce National Education Policy 2020. So here students have the options. They can leave after 1 year, then they will be given a certificate course. If they leave after 2 years, they will be given the diploma course. After 3 years, they will be having a 3 years B.Sc degree, and after 4 years, they will be having B.Sc with honors. And the students who offer research, they will be having B.Sc honors with research. Now, in this, there are mainly three parts: major subjects, minor, and the other part will include the multidisciplinary as well as eligibility enhancement courses, value added courses, and skill enhancement courses. Each semester will be having 22 credits, and so for 8 semester it would be 176 credits. In addition to this, we'll be having uh, value-added courses in BCA, botany, zoology, biochemistry, etc., such as climate change, water and food security, health and hygiene, ecology and energy, environment and sustainability, and soft skills. Our interdisciplinary approach extends across various academic boundaries within faculty as well as within university between various faculties and centers. We have 5 year integrated MSc in cell and molecular biology, which is one of its kind which admits students through all India entrance test. This program, along with environmental studies and biotechnology, are a blend of different subjects and completely interdisciplinary in nature. The uniqueness is specific training in premier institutes in India and abroad from semester 1 itself. I am happy that this unique course is active since 10 years and already in line with NEP 2020. We promote innovation, incubation, and entrepreneurship in the curriculum. 13 students did their dissertation abroad and published 9 papers with average impact factor of 11. We have discipline-specific electives and dissertation with optional papers. So this course is very unique and where you have to fill up the separate form and the admissions would be based on the entrance test. These learning methods are followed by a component of continuous evaluation. The weightage of assessment on internal assignment, laboratory practical, report writing, field work, presentation, quiz, seminar, group discussion, and project proposal and dissertation. We have established many ICT enabled classroom almost in all the departments. Here are two such geotagged classroom for just example. We have also renovated the canteen and the cafe fair area facilities for fresh and clean experience. The faculty has active student council with dean as a president, faculty general secretary and class representatives are elected by students, meritorious students nominated by dean. This council organizes activities such as cultural event, Bhumi Fest, internal day celebrations, sports events, etc. The council is also responsible overall discipline in the faculty. Uh, in co-curricular activities, uh, we celebrate different days, including International Tiger Day, Environment Day, the different events that includes the treasure hunt. Every year we celebrate this World Sparrow Day, uh, Traditional Day, Science Open House, Department Day, Garba competition, Science Fair. Our students are also doing this eco restoration on the banks of Bukhikas, and these are some pictures. Uh, Department of Botany uh, providing academic options in the masters in botany, biochemistry, biotechnology, microbiology, bioinformatics, biochemistry, forensic science, environmental science, agriculture science, ecology, social work, etc. So after doing B.Sc, one may have the MSc in these subjects. Here, the career opportunities are civil services, means through UPSC, Staff Selection Commission, GPSC, Indian Railways. Scientific researcher in organizations like BSI, NBRI, NIPGR, that is National Botanical Research Institute, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, pharmaceutical industries, nursery management, farming, etc., as well as in the academia, in the universities or in the schools, forest research institute, and many more opportunities the students are having after doing botany. Uh, After doing B.Sc chemistry, one may go for masters in chemistry, applied chemistry, textile chemistry, geochemistry, biotechnology, microbiology, bioinformatics, biochemistry, biostatistics, forensic science, environmental science, business administration, social work, etc. Again, in the career options, one may go for civil services, government research organizations like Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Indian Space Research Center, science research institutes like Indian Institute of Science, Indian Institute of Technologies, Indian Oil Corporation, DRDO, pharmaceutical industries, ONGC, and many more. Uh, Department of Environmental Studies. Here we have the academic options as after doing graduation, one may have masters in environment science, environment, health and safety, environmental management, industrial safety, climate change, disaster management, earth and environmental sciences and technology, environment impact assessors and lead auditor courses, research in various institutes of national and international repute such as Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, IITs, CSIR, National Environmental Energy Research Institute, National Institute of Oceanography, Wildlife Institute of India, Tropical Forest Research Institute, State Forest Research Institute, Center for Science and Environment, Jawaharlal Nehru University, and many more options they have in academics. For career options, environmentalist and pollution control officers in National and State Pollution Control Board and forest departments, Gujarat Ecological Education and Research, ONGC, Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation, industries as environment consultants, effluent treatment plants, GSFC, Ocean Agro, NEPRA, Kadam Consultancy, Transpec, Paramount Limited. These are the NGOs where uh, there are non-governmental organizations to solve various environmental problems and spread awareness. And of course, in as an academician in various universities across India. For Department of Geography, after doing graduations, one may do Masters in Geography, Geoinformatics, Environment Science, Environmental Management, Climate Science, Earth and Environment Sciences, Environmental Sciences and Technology, Disaster Management. These are the courses available after graduation of uh, with Geography. There are many career options, of course, in academia, as well as cartographers, environmental consultant, urban planner, tourism officer, GIS specialist, demographer, meteorologist, disaster management. Of course, this subject is very useful for civil services. They also have the opportunities in ONGC, Central and State Pollution Control Board, scientific assistant in research institute like National Institute of Oceanography, IIRS, that is Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, DRDO. They also join in NGOs and other developmental agencies engaged in population studies, rural development, and environmental issues. Department of Geology. After doing graduation in geology, one may go for masters in geology, applied geology, petroleum geoscience, mineralogy, material science, archaeology, environmental science, earth and environmental sciences, disaster management. They have many career opportunities. For example, in government of India, Ministry of Earth Science, Ministry of Coal, Ministry of Petrol and Natural Gas, Ministry of Atomic Energy, Ministry of Mines, Geological Survey of India. These are the opportunities in government of India. In mineral and mining industries, for example, Tata Steel Limited, Hindustan Zinc Limited, Hindustan Copper Limited, Bharat Aluminium Corporation, Sandhar Iron Ore Limited, L&T, etc. In government of Gujarat, Collectorate of Geology and Mining, Narmada Water Resource and Kalpsar Department, GMRDS, GMDC, etc. For energy resources industries, ONGC, Iron India Limited, Reliance Energy Ventures Limited, L&T Limited, Coal India Limited, and many more. Department of Mathematics. After doing B.Sc in Mathematics, one may have Masters in Mathematics, in Applied Mathematics, in Data Science, in Statistics, in Computer Science, Business Management, Actuarial Science, Operation Research. Here there are plenty of career opportunities. Of course, as an academician in school, college, university, in banking, in insurance, in software industries like Reliance, TCS, OR, Mark, data analysis, of course, in DRDO, civil services, mathematics is very scoring subject, so many students they take this subject as a major subject for this civil services examination. Operation research, machine learning engineer, staff selection commission, scientific assistant in research institute like Indian Institute of Science, Indian Institute of IITs, TIFR, CSIR, ISRO, DRDO, ICER. After doing B.Sc in microbiology, one may go for master in microbiology, in biotechnology, in bioinformatics, applied microbiology, medical microbiology, industrial microbiology, industrial biotechnology, dairy science, dairy technology, food science and nutrition, immunology, and many more courses one may go for. Here are the career opportunities, research and development laboratories and institute, of course, civil service, of course, as an academician, healthcare facilities, pharmaceuticals and biotechnology companies, food and beverage companies, environmental agencies, forensic science laboratory, and many more. After doing B.Sc physics, one may have master in physics, astrophysics, material science, electronics, biophysics, geophysics, medical physics, nuclear physics, optical physics, nanoscience and technology, and many more courses in India, like the Institute of Repute, ICER, IISc, IITs, NITs, of course, in our university and many reputed university in the country. Engineering in physics provides a strong foundation for various branches of engineering. You can specialize in the fields such as electric engineering, mechanical engineering, aerospace engineering, or material engineering. Physics graduates often work in research and development, design or testing roles in engineering companies. And in the career opportunities, you may be a physicist, research assistant or research associate, data analysis, data scientist, science writer, journalist, teacher, professor, technical consultant, entrepreneur. You may have services in defense, in civil service, ISRO, DRDO, BARC, and many institute in India and abroad. After doing B.Sc in statistics, one may go for master in statistics, biostatistics, data science, computer science, business management, actuarial science, population studies, librarian information science, quantitative economics, search engine optimizations. So plenty of opportunities you have after B.Sc statistics. As far the career options are concerned, one may always go for academician, banking sector, insurance, software industries like Reliance, TCS, ORG Mark. One may go as a data analyst in defense, as a policy analyst, of course, civil services. One may go for machine learning engineer, scientific assistant in research institute like Indian Institute of Science, Indian Statistical Institute, Indian Institute of Technology, TIFR, CSIR, ISRO, DRDO, ICER, and many more. After doing graduation in zoology, one may go for master in zoology, animal science, life science and biochemistry, microbiology, environmental science, biotechnology, bioinformatics, genetics, wildlife biology and conservation biology, ecology, marine biology, oceanography, food science and technology, foreign forensic science, toxicology, paleontology, clinical embryology, entomology, and many more courses one may do. The career options after doing graduation, mainly we have in academician as the as an academician, of course in civil services, forensic science, population control board, lab assistant or the technical assistant in IIRS, WTI, Zoological Survey of India, wildlife and environmental conservation, biotechnology, food and pharmaceutical industries, science communication and journalism, zoos, museums, and aquariums, and many more opportunities. Our different department having different recruiters uh, for biochemistry, life science, Dr. Reddy's laboratory, Toprani lab, Newbers, Supratech, and many more laboratories. In botany, SMP Globals, Mercury Pharma, Lexil Pharma, Vasu Healthcare, Sigma Institute. In cell and molecular biology, Cactus Communications, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Sai Life Science, Intas Pharmaceuticals, Zydus Cadila, Torrent Pharma. In chemistry, Sun Pharma, Alembic, Torrent, Deepak Nitrate, Epicor Pharma, Zydus Research Center, Ipca Pharmaceuticals, Mercury Lab, Glenmark Life Science, Ajim Premji, Philips Carbon Black Limited, and many more. This is just for your ready reference. I am illustrating only few. For computer applications, Geek Connect Technologies, Bitbuff Tech, Syntax Studio, Tosa Creative Studios, and many more. In environmental sciences, Torrent Pharma, Kadam Consultant, Asian Paints, Atul Company, EcoCare Solutions, and many more. In geography, Nascent Infotechnologies Private Limited, Futran, Colobera, etc. In geology, L&T Technology, Numerator, Nielsen Baroda, GMRDS Gandhinagar, and many more. In IT, PESA Software, Apple Digital Technology, Microsoft, Tata Consultancy, Reliance, Run Technologies, and many more. In mathematics, Numerator, Nelson Private Limited, Gujarat Civil Supply Corporation Limited, Civica Technologies, and many more. In microbiology and biotechnology, Dr. Reddy's Lab, Zydus, Chitex, Pathocare Lab, Sun Pharma, Siemens, and many more. In physics, Orena Solutions and Infinite Ripples, Vikram Sarabhai Community Science Center, Ahmedabad Center for Nano and Software Matter Sciences, and many more institutes. In Statistic, Nelson India Private Limited, Wipro, TCS, and many more. In zoology, Sun Pharma, Spark, Baroda, JAIS Research Foundations, and many more. This is just the illustrative list. There are many. Now, here is the companies coming for placement in our campus. These are some graphical representation that after graduation, 37% are doing masters in science, 25% students, they may do their master in the reputed institutes. 13% of the students are doing BA. 19% of the students are doing either MBA or MSW. And after graduation, very few, 6% they opt for job. After post-graduation, 53% they join a full-time job, either in the academia or in the private companies. 32% students, they join either PhD or join the research project. 5% of the students, they go for BA. And 10% students, they start their own business, that is self-employed. So our progression is, so after graduation, vast majority prefers further study. After 50%, after MSc, 50% get placed, and after PhD, 60% of the students, they land for a job in industry or in teaching, and the rest opt for PDF or self-employed. Awards, scholarship and fellowships. So Mukhyamantri Yuva Swavalamban Yojana, M/SY, only for UG. This is government scholarship. Inspire scholarship for UG and PG. National scholarship portal. Digital Gujarat government scholarship. DSW scholarship is funded by our own university. That is Director of Social Welfare. They offer this scholarship. Merit scholarship for university rank holder, that also provided by our university. These are the some prize or the awards given by the Faculty of Science in different departments. So in all departments, the C.S. Patel Case Prize, Professor S.P. Sabnis Case Prize, Srimati Premat Gauri C. Vadra Pandya Prize, Dr. C.S. Patel Endorsement Fund, Nimkar Prize, Dr. Nayak Memorial Prize, Baroda College Physics Prize, and many more. So almost all the departments having either one or the other prize. So this is given by the Faculty of Science. Thank you all. Now the session is open for the question answer. So if you have any question, we'll try to answer. But before that, let me say about the admission process. I will try to answer one by one. I am getting the questions. But let me first tell you about the admission process. See, we are planning to have the general merit list, that is on 10th of June. So 10th of June, we'll try to publish the general merit list. And on 18th, we'll provide the first list, which will be online allotment of the subject. But for that, you will carefully give the choices for the subject. Someone was asking for the eligibility criteria for B.Sc and Faculty of Science. At present, today, the criteria is for open category, you must have 40% marks in science theory. That is 120 marks without grace in open category out of 300 theory marks. 35% for SCBC. That is 105 marks out of 300. This is the minimum eligibility today for SCBC. For SC/ST, just passing. For EWS, it is same as the general, But the management is thinking for changing this eligibility criteria. For B Pharma, actually you have to apply through ACPC. Here it is for B.Sc only. See, the job depends. If you are seeking for a job, you may have job after 3 years graduation also. Yeah, of course, there is 10% reservation for EWS. Somebody was asking. For B.Sc in all subjects, there are 120 seats for each subject. There are 120 seats for each subject, which includes all the reservation as per the government criteria. Let me clear that the microbiology subject we can offer only at Padra College, because in Faculty of Science we have only the Masters in Microbiology, but for UG in the main campus B.Sc Micro is not available. But so if anybody is interested in microbiology, they have to apply for Padra. For B.Sc Biotechnology, there is no any course available in our university. But I always advise that if you want to do MSc Biotechnology, better you do B.Sc Microbiology. Because this is the base for Masters in Biotechnology. So, and that's why we are not separately offering this B.Sc Biotechnology, because B.Sc Microbiology is more important, and we have a very successful program that after micro we have the biotechnology program, and where it's a nationally important program, where we have the students through gate score. B.Sc Micro admissions are not on the entrance test, it is on the merit base. So B.Sc Micro is available at Padra, and you will get the admission at Padra. Somebody is asking, can we do job and the PhD together? Yes, we have many teachers, they are doing their teaching, temporary teachers, and simultaneously they are doing PhD also. Somebody is asking bachelor in biochemistry. Biochemistry bachelor is also not advisable. After doing B.Sc chemistry, you can always do masters in biochemistry. That also is good option. Somebody is asking, are there good package after biotechnology? Yeah, see, there are good package after every program. Only you must be interested and you must be master of that program. See, in order to have Padra College admission, when you apply for filling the form, there are two options. One is at Faculty of Science, another is Padra College. So if you want the admission at Padra, you must fill the separate form for Padra.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, actually I had a doubt. So I have filled my form for the B.Sc, but by mistake I have not chose my subjects according to the given what do you call it, the
Where you applied? Where you applied at
MSc.
Padra or
No.
Faculty of Science?
Faculty of Sciences, but sir, my priorities of my subjects has changed. Is there any way I can change it? I have done the payment, but I want to change my priority of my subjects for B.Sc. So can I do that?
Have you locked your choices?
I have.
Choice lock कर दिया आपने?
हाँ.
So you can wait. See, in the first round of admission, that is on 18th, it would be as per the choices you have locked. Okay. But then we'll do the second round. After 10-15 days, we'll do the second round. That would be offline,
Okay.
where you can always change your choice.
Okay, so sir, there's no way that I can change it online, right now?
Yeah. So after first allotment, you can always change.
Okay, thank you so
We
much.
will give you that chance.
Thank you so much.
If it is available as per your merit, merit is matters.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, good morning, sir. My name is Sahil Agrawal.
Sahib.
Sir, I want to do IIT JAM in chemistry after B.Sc program. And sir, I am in biology department.
You
But
are.
sir, MSU का और ये IIT JAM in chemistry का सिलेबस अलग थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. तो सर उसे कैसे मैनेज करना होगा?
See, our syllabi for UG is at par with all national institutes. So after doing your graduation here, you can always go for masters in well-reputed institutes. Many of our students, after doing this graduation here, they go for masters in the reputed institutes like IITs, IISc, etc. So you can do the same thing. So you can do your graduation here, and you can always go for the masters somewhere else.
ओके. बट सर जैसे मैंने फॉर्म फिल किया जिसमें प्रायोरिटी जो है वो मैंने केमिस्ट्री, बॉटनी एंड जूलॉजी फर्स्ट रखा. तो फिर मैंने एमएसयू की साइट पे जो है वो चेक किया तो सिलेबस थोड़ा वेरी कर रहा था आईआईटी जैम का और एमएसयू का, मतलब ज्यादा कर रहा था वेरी.
I don't think whenever we prepare the syllabi, we always keep all this in mind. So even if you have doubt, you can come down to the department and you can discuss with the head of the department.
Okay.
In vacation also you can come.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and it may be possible that some of the topics, the basic topics, all will be included. It may happen that some specific topic may be missed. But see, if you do the fundamental basic requirement, you can always read by your own also.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Okay, Sahil, welcome.
हेलो सर.
Yes, Aman.
सर मैंने जियोग्राफी के लिए B.Sc के लिए फिलअप किया है फॉर्म.
Good.
सर जैसे एंट्रेंस एग्जाम होगा तो उसमें सब्जेक्ट्स कौन कौन से होंगे जिसमें से क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे?
Have you applied for B.Sc or M.Sc?
B.Sc.
तो B.Sc में कोई एंट्रेंस एग्जाम नहीं है जियोग्राफी के लिए.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
सीधा मेरिट में आपका नाम आएगा.
ओके सर.
हाँ?
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
समझो आपको एडमिशन मिल गया.
हाँ सर.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
Sir, actually, I'm from Jamnagar, and sir, I applied for B.Sc Zoology.
Fine.
सर एक्चुअली जब आपने जो स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट किया था सर उसमें फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट का कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन मतलब नहीं दिखा था लाइक कैरियर ऑप्शंस में.
See, there are many options I have written. पूरा मैंने रीड नहीं किया होगा, but
Okay.
for zoology there are always chances for forest.
Okay. And sir, after मतलब zoology या botany are called the mother subject of biology. तो सर इसके बाद हम मास्टर्स तो किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में कर सकते हैं, बट सर ये एक अपॉर्चुनिटी हमारे लिए ओपन रहती है ना कि हम टीचिंग फील्ड में कभी भी जा सकते हैं.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
See, even now the government is gradually open the door for teaching for all graduates. Okay, so
Sir, actually, when I was checking the websites of Kendriya Vidyalaya and Navodaya Vidyalaya and other schools, sir, they had clearly mentioned that they do not allow any other graduates to teach except botany or zoology. Like for teaching, you have to compulsorily go for botany or zoology, and afterwards you can do masters in any other subject like microbiology or biotechnology or any other.
fine. So see here. See, if you do B.Sc zoology, that will be very useful even if you want to do B.Sc microbiology or B.Sc biotechnology. Okay, so you have three options. You can do your masters in zoology 1, second you can do your master in microbiology and your master in biotechnology. So you have all the opportunities. And
Okay, thank you, sir.
I always advise to the students that your graduation should be in the basic science. So these are the basic science, botany, zoology, these are the basic topics of the life science.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Aswini?
I have finished the B.Sc chemistry from.
Yes.
But sir, my question is, if any verification proceed or direct merit, or I will come to university and get admission?
See, the verification is in progress. Your form will be checked online.
Yeah.
In case of you any documents missing, you will receive a message.
Okay.
That you upload your 12th mark sheet or your school leaving or your caste certificate, that message will come to you.
Yeah.
And the first round will be online and the second round will be offline. At that time you can come down with all your documents.
Yes, sir.
So second round most probably will be either in the last week of June or in the first week of July.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can wait till 18 June will place the first list of admitted students.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, and we are also trying for changing our eligibility criteria. Our management is thinking that any 12th pass will be eligible for our B.Sc course. That is that they are thinking.
Very good, sir.
Yeah, so
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
okay.
Sir,
Yes, Gayatri.
sir, this is Prisha Chauhan.
Okay.
Sir, is there any examination required for B.Sc Forensic Science?
We don't have the course in B.Sc Forensic Science in our university.
Okay, sir.
So, if you want to do such course, you may apply to the Forensic University, Gujarat Forensic University.
Yes, sir.
And the related courses here would be zoology, or you can do botany, and even chemistry.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hello,
Thank you.
Yes.
सर, जैसे कि आपने कहा कि B.Sc MSc में नहीं होता है, पादरा में होता है, तो पादरा में उसके कैसे एडमिशन प्रोसेस है उसकी?
पादरा का जो है by 10th your verification would be done and you will find the list of admitted students soon. So that will come.
ओके, लेकिन सर उसके अंदर वेबसाइट के अंदर ऑप्शन नहीं दिखा रहा है B.Sc माइक्रोबायोलॉजी का, MSc माइक्रोबायोलॉजी का दिखा रहा है.
Microbiology. So for all masters there is a separate form, but for bachelor there are only two forms. One is at Faculty of Science, another is at Padra. So when you fill up the form for B.Sc, You are filling for B.Sc. You will not have a form for specific subject. Okay. So for B.Sc,
Okay, sir.
there are only two forms, either at Padra or at Faculty of Science. The form is common for all subjects. B.Sc form is common for all subjects.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
हेलो,
Yes.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
Good morning.
सर मेरा नाम पूजा है.
Hmm.
मैंने बीएससी मैथमेटिक्स के लिए अप्लाई किया है.
Yes.
फॉर्म फिलअप कर दिया है मैंने और ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट में स्टेट और फिजिक्स लिया है.
Hmm. Yes. Good.
तो ये मुझे मिल जाएगा कि नहीं मिल पाएगा? ऐसा परसेंटेज थोड़े कम है तो.
आपको साइंस के थियरी के मार्क्स कितने हैं?
थियरी में है 72%
नहीं
और
परसेंटाइल नहीं, आप
परसेंटेज 58% थियरी में.
मैं ये पूछता हूँ, आपके मैथ्स, फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री के 300 में से कितने मार्क्स है वो बता दो मुझे.
300 में से सर सेपरेटली बता दो.
हाँ बता दो.
मैथ्स में 67 है, केमिस्ट्री में 38 है और फिजिक्स में 43 है.
हाँ, एंड यू वांट मैथमेटिक्स.
यस सर.
हाँ तो मिल जाएगा. फर्स्ट
ओके
राउंड
थैंक
में नहीं मिलेगा तो सेकंड में मिल जाएगा, बट यू विल गेट.
तो मैथमेटिक्स मिल जाएगा मतलब.
यस यस यू विल गेट इट.
तो सेकेंड राउंड में कुछ अलग प्रोसेस क्या करना होगा?
देखो फर्स्ट राउंड में आपको आना ही नहीं है, इट वुड बी ऑनलाइन अलॉटमेंट.
यस सर, फॉर्म भर दिया है.
तो फर्स्ट राउंड में तो आपको यू विल वेट अप टू 18 जून. तो 18 जून को आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आपको एडमिशन मिला नहीं मिला क्या. फॉर दी सेकंड राउंड दैट वुड बी ऑफलाइन, तो आपको यहाँ बुलाया जाएगा
यस सर.
and you will be given the admission here.
सर
हेलो सर.
थैंक यू सर. सर दिस इज हेजल अगेन.
Yes.
सर एक्चुअली जो थियोरेटिकल मार्क्स है सर हमें सिर्फ पीसीबी में से लेना है या फिर लैंग्वेजेस को भी इंक्लूड करना है?
Our admissions will be based on the science theory marks. So if it is mathematics group, then math, physics and chemistry marks will be counted. If it is biology group, then biology, chemistry, physics marks would be counted. Only theory marks.
ओके थैंक यू सर.
हेलो सर.
हेलो सर.
Yes.
सर अगर हमने कोई एक कोर्स जो मेजर कोर्स लिया है और उसके साथ फॉर एग्जांपल फिजिक्स हमारा मेजर है और मैथमेटिक्स और केमिस्ट्री हमारा इलेक्टिव सब्जेक्ट है, तो हमको 3 साल का जो कोर्स है या 4 साल का जो भी है, तो उसके अंदर अगर हमने जो मेजर हमारा कोर्स है वो हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया, लेकिन हमने 2 साल जो इलेक्टिव सब्जेक्ट पढ़े उसके अंदर अगर हमको डिग्री चाहिए तो वो हमको वापस से पूरा टेन्योर पढ़ना पड़ेगा या फिर एक साल में उसकी डिग्री भी मिल जाएगी?
See, up to last year this option was there, but now in the new education policy it would be difficult to have the double graduation. Okay, so in the present structure it was allowed that you can do the double graduation if you invest 1 year time. But now in this new structure it would be difficult.
तो मतलब हमको वापस अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा वो कोर्स के लिए?
Yes, yes.
थैंक यू सर.
Okay.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
Good morning.
सर व्हाट इज द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर बीटेक इन सीएस?
For
सीएस इन बीटेक.
आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है.
बीटेक करना है सर, सीएस अच्छे के लिए सर.
See, for BTech you have to apply for ACPC through ACPC.
ओके थैंक यू सर. गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
Good morning.
मैं यज्ञोशी बोल रही हूँ। मैंने 2022 में 12th किया था। एक साल मैंने ड्रॉप लिया था कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए। आई एम स्टिल एलिजिबल फॉर द
Yes, you are eligible.
एंड आई एम फ्रॉम SCBC कैटेगरी और मेरा थियोरेटिकल मार्क्स अप्रॉक्स 39% है, ओवरऑल कम है। और
ठीक है, you are eligible.
एम आई एलिजिबल? और मेरिट लिस्ट 10 जून को आएगी। अगर उसमें मेरा नाम नहीं आया, लाइक इज देयर एनी चांसेस?
सी मेरिट लिस्ट में तो जिन्होंने अप्लाई किया सबका नाम आएगा। देखो
नो सर, क्योंकि मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी अप्लाई किया था तो उस टाइम नहीं आया था नाम। और ठीक है, इस बार आ जाता है, आई होप सो। एंड 18 जून को स्टार्ट एक और सब्जेक्ट अलॉट किया जाएगा, राइट? एंड 10 to 15 days ऑफलाइन।
पहले जो आएगा दैट विल बी मेरिट लिस्ट। तो मेरिट लिस्ट में तो जिन लोगों ने अप्लाई किया है वो सबका नाम आएगा।
ओके सर। ठीक
है, वो क्या है कि एक मेरिट के हिसाब से होगा। जिसके सबसे ज्यादा मार्क है वो नंबर 1 पे होगा, सबसे कम लास्ट पे आएगा। तो दैट इंक्लूड्स ऑल दी कैंडिडेट्स।
यस सर।
लेकिन 18 को जो हमारा फर्स्ट लिस्ट आएगा,
यस सर,
दैट इज द लिस्ट ऑफ एडमिटेड स्टूडेंट्स। उसमें अगर 18 में आपका नाम आ गया तो आपको एडमिशन मिला, ठीक है? तो उसमें आप फीस भर देंगे।
हाँ।
और मान लो आपको आपकी चॉइस का सब्जेक्ट नहीं भी मिला है तो भी आपको फीस भरना चाहिए, सो दैट जब दूसरा राउंड होगा ऑफलाइन
तो मैं अपने सब्जेक्ट्स चेंज कर सकता हूँ।
हाँ, तब आप चेंज कर सकते हैं।
और सर ये पॉसिबली लाइक जुलाई तक चला जाएगा, तो कब तक क्लासेस स्टार्ट होने के चांसेस हैं?
फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जुलाई क्लासेस विल स्टार्ट इन दी फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जुलाई।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
Okay, so now I am closing the meeting.
सर मेरे मार्क्स जो है वो एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया से 3-4 मार्क्स लैग कर रहे हैं, तो क्या?
हाँ, उसके लिए अभी हमारा मैनेजमेंट जो है वो सोच रहा है। 1-2 दिन में यू विल गेट द मैसेज। अगर रिड्यूस होगा तो हम मैसेज कर देंगे आप।
और अगर रिड्यूस नहीं हुआ तो फिर क्या फॉर्म रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा?
हाँ, तो अभी आपको पता चलेगा, ठीक है? अभी कोई मैसेज आया अभी तक आपको?
नहीं।
ठीक है, तो आपको मैसेज आ जाएगा अगर फॉर्म रिजेक्ट होगा तो।
ओके।
और अगर आपका फॉर्म पास हो जाएगा तो मेरिट लिस्ट में नाम आ जाएगा। ओके, अभी एक ईमेल एड्रेस मैं आपको ये चैट में लिख रहा हूँ। dean-science at MSU Baroda .ac.in। So if you have any further query, you can send me the mail on this address, okay? So now I am leaving the meeting. Thank you all for joining this meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you all.
सर धन्यवाद सर, बता दिया, बहुत बता दिया आज।